What is going on, everybody? So today we will be talking about how to become a high ticket closer, beginner step-by-step guide. No hype, no shortcuts, just the real roadmap. Let's get into it. That being said, if you've been seeing people talk about high ticket sales online and wondering, is high ticket sales even real? Can beginners do this? And where do you even start? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full beginner roadmap to becoming a high ticket closer. I'm going to share you the truth most videos leave out so you don't waste months going in the wrong direction. So before we get into the steps, here's why this matters to me. Before I learned a skill, I was stuck. I had no leverage, no opportunities. I was in an unclear direction with $20,000 in debt. Now, once I started learning the skill, I had a skill tied to revenue, meaning I can make money just from learning and knowing a skill. I had options open, opportunities, and best of all, I had confidence. The skill that changed everything was high ticket sales. And once I understood how this world actually works, my options, income, and confidence all started to shift. So the goal in this video was simple. Give you the clearest beginner path possible without hype or shortcuts. So what do high ticket closers actually do? A high ticket closer is someone who speaks with qualified prospects, understands problem and goals of a person, and helps them decide whether a premium solution is really right for them. And these solutions are usually, coaching, services, masterminds, business offers, typically priced between 2K all the way up to 50K in commissions. And I mean, like, because the value is high, the commissions for the closer is high. That's why this skill can outperform many traditional career paths without needing years of school. Who this is and who this isn't for. This is for people that are willing to learn, coachable, consistent, and comfortable with being uncomfortable. Now, I'm going to be honest. High ticket closing is not for everyone. If you're someone looking for fast and easy money, maybe another get rich quick scheme, this isn't the right path for you, man. But for serious beginners, this could be life changing. So the first step is not closing deals. It's learning the foundations and fundamentals of sales, like psychology and decision making, asking the right questions, knowing how to overcome objections, and knowing how to control your emotions. Because high ticket sales isn't about pushing or convincing. It's about understanding someone deeply and guiding a real decision that helps them. Skipping this step is why most beginners struggle in the long run. Step 2, getting real reps. You have to put the reps in because nothing replaces real conversations. You can study content all day, but confidence only comes from people that are speaking to real prospects, making mistakes, adjusting quickly, and improving week by week. This is the phase where serious people separate themselves from people who just want to watch videos. Reps create confidence, not the other way around. Step 3, environment and coaching. One of the biggest accelerators in high ticket sales is your actual environment. Trying to learn everything alone usually slows people down, and the fastest progress happens with coaching, feedback, accountability, and having a clear system to follow. Because this is a performance skill, the performance improves fastest with the right guidance. Step 4, getting into real opportunities. Once you build foundational skills, consistency, and confidence, the next step is being connected to real offers that need closers. This is where you move from learning to earning. And for many people, this is where life starts to look very different. Be real, high ticket sales is not going to guarantee you overnight success, but it is one of the fastest legitimate skills to increase your income because you're learning a skill that is directly tied to revenue generation. Serious beginners who stay consistent can build meaningful momentum in months, not years, months. And the key word is seriousness because you have to be serious in this industry because at the end of the day, this is commission based. And at the end of the day, I can give you a vehicle, but it's your job to put your foot on the gas pedal and actually start moving because your income is solely based on you. If you watch this far, you're probably not just curious, you're genuinely considering this path. And the truth is, having the right structure, coaching, and opportunity can make this journey for you much easier. And that's exactly why Vyral Sales Academy exists. It's designed to help beginners learn high ticket sales the right way, build real skills and confidence the right way, and eventually connect with real opportunities. So if you want to explore that further, you can check out the link in the description and see if it makes sense for you. No pressure at all, just a resource if you're serious. Appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next. Boom.